Okay, just a quick video to show that you can sort of combine the storyboard project and the code project together, in some cases at least. So this is an example of the panning gesture that the textbook uses two different projects for, but I use one project for. So I created two images. The top image is going to react to the pan gesture on the image itself, and it does the normal addition to the XY coordinate to follow the translation. And I also connected the top image to the pan gesture anywhere on the view. Again, in the sort of normal direction by adding whatever the translation is. So if the translation is negative, then it adds that negative value. Okay, but then programmatically, I created a separate pan gesture recognizer and I attached it directly to this bottom image. And for that one, I did a subtraction. So if I pan in the positive direction, it should subtract it and make the image go in the opposite way. So that's how I could just sort of make sure that I was going into a different, handler method, and only works in this image, right? So that is one project that does both the storyboard gesture recognizer and a programmatic gesture recognizer. It may not be possible for every gesture, but it certainly is possible for some, so you should try to play with that. From a code standpoint, let's look at just a quick, so there's the two images inside of my view. Here's my pan gesture recognizer, which if I click on that, you can see is connected to the view and to the top image. The bottom image is the one that right here that gets the programmatically created pan gesture object, which calls the separate handle pan method here instead of the one that I built in as an IB action. Okay, so I combine the two together into a single project.